I just found out AI Magicx. AI Magicx is a platform which actually offers a range of solutions over at their website, and they're trusted by the tech giants in the industry. If you scroll down, you can see all the tools that they offer. There's an AI logo designer, AI image generator, there's an AI library as well for ready-to-use templates, AI story creator, and AI chatbot. But none of these are the protagonists for this video. You must be wondering, why exactly are we at Magicx? So Magicx recently released their new solution, which is AI Magicx Coder. And they claim that their tool is going to revolutionize coding experience. And to further explore the features of AI Magicx Coder, all you have to do is just scroll on their webpage and you can see all the key features here. So the first key feature is that it's going to do intelligent code analysis. What this is going to do is it's actually going to analyze the code, then it will find out the shortcomings of the code, suggest solutions, and even rewrite the code for you. And later on, you can get a written documentation of all of this. And the best part is they're providing large language models from OpenAI, Gemini, Mistral, and Meta. And there are Anthropic models as well. And if you scroll down, the second feature is going to be real-time code preview. And this is one of my favorite features, as Claude 3.5 Sonnet recently released their artifacts feature, which is something similar to this one. I think having a preview inside the code generator is getting into the trend now. And this way you can see what you are actually building. As for the next feature is going to be multi-model support, which means that you can choose from multiple models, whether they are from OpenAI, they are from Anthropic, or Gemini. And last but not least, it actually generates comprehensive documentation of what you're working on. I mean, I'm totally impressed and I really want to explore this tool. But before diving right into it, as always, we're going to go and explore the pricing first. So let's go to the pricing page. Now, as you can see, they have 3 different plans, but the best part is they even have a free plan, which is the basic plan. And one thing that you must know here is that all of these plans are not just for the AI Magicx Coder. Once you purchase any of these plans, you can pretty much use all the solutions from Magicx, which is really great. But in this video today, we're actually going to go with the free plan and explore how good it is. So without further chatter, let's dive right into it and explore it. Hi, this is your host Shabriz and welcome back to Skill Curve. I went on and signed up with AI Magicx, and once you sign up, you will be landing in a similar dashboard as you can see on your screen. So they have the AI library, the chatbot, image and logo designer, and there is a story creator as well. But what we are interested in is the beta version of Magicx Coder. So I'm gonna go and actually click on Try Magicx Coder here, and this is the interface of Magicx Coder. So if you click on the top left corner here, you can see all the conversations and the chat history. And if you go to the top right corner here, you can see all the models from which you can choose. There is GPT-4o Mini, GPT-4o, there is even Claude models like 3 Opus and 3.5 Sonnet, and the Gemini models like Flash 1.5 and Pro 1.5. But for this video, I'm going to leave this as it is because I like GPT-4o Mini, and let's get started with the testing part. So what I'm going to do is, for the first test, is I'm going to go with one of the system prompts that AI Magicx actually suggests. So I'm going to go with this build a simple drawing app. So let's go and click on this. What it's going to do is it's actually using HTML, CSS and JavaScript in a single file, and it's creating a canvas on which we can draw, and everything is going to be web oriented. So the code is ready and it looks quite good, and I love the flexibility of this app. Like, I can edit this code by just clicking here and it will open up the code editor, which is just mind-blowing. And after I'm done editing something, let's say I want to change the name. So I want to change this to Skill Curve and I want to save this. And it's actually going to go and save this, and as you can see, it is right here, Skill Curve. Now you can either copy this, you can analyze this, or preview this. So before actually testing out the real-time preview, I'm going to go and analyze this code and see how it actually works. So the code analysis is like, you go and analyze the code, then you do an in-depth review of the code, enhance the code, which means you are going to rewrite the code in a more optimal way, and then you will create the documentation for the code. I think this code analysis is quite thorough, and I really like this. So let's wait for it to actually wrap up. And there you go, the final output is here. And this is a quite lengthy report about the improvements that we can do in the code. And there is even the enhanced HTML code, the enhanced CSS, and the enhanced JavaScript, which is really great. So what you can do is you can just copy everything, or you can download the whole documentation as a markdown file. But right now, I'm more interested in the live preview. So let's go and actually see the live preview from clicking here. And there you go. So this is the canvas. I can draw. I can change the size. So let's see. This is medium. I'm going to go with large. So this is large. And yep, the size actually differs. And I can actually change the color and try something. Oops, it did not work. I think I have to select the color like this. Yep, it worked now. So as you can see, the color changed. If I want to clear, just click on clear. And yep, it is working. So let's say skill curve. And what do you think? I'm pretty good at this, right? And that was a very simple canvas drawing app that we created. And if we click here, it is actually going to take us to the browser that we're using, and you can see the code there. But for now, I think this is really great, the live preview, and we can even change something inside the code. But I think this is quite good. And with that said, I'm going to go and open up a new conversation here. And this time I'm actually going to go and give it a prompt to create a website for my company. So it's going to be a really simple prompt. I'm not really going to go in details because I just want to check out whether the basic structure and the architecture of the website is on par or not, because we can always do some edits to the code and we can add stuff and we can always customize the website, but we need the basic boilerplate. So I'm going to go and add a prompt right here. So give me a second. And this is the prompt that I'm going to use. Create a website for my company that sells courses, prompts, guides, and all things tech and AI related. Just create the landing page and keep the color theme elegant because I want it to be as minimum as possible. So I'm just creating the landing page and I'm just going to go with the color theme as elegant. And with that said, let's go and test it out. So the code generation is quite fast. I must say there are a few customizations that it's actually suggesting us to do. And this is the explanation of the code. There is a header, a hero section, and a feature section, and there's a footer. So it is a really simple landing page, and I'm really excited for the preview. So let's go and check it out. So I can enter my company name here. Okay, this is a boilerplate. There's courses, guides, prompts, and there is contact. I can get started. So unlock your potential with our tech and AI courses. It even went on and added some taglines. Quite good. The design is really simple. And I won't say this is the perfect website out there, but with a prompt as simple as this one, I think the results are worth it. And you can always go on and edit the code, or you can ask the AI to edit the code for you. It is really up to you how much customizations you want and how much time you spent into it. So take your time, create your very own website. But as I've already mentioned earlier that we just want a boilerplate and the architecture. Later on, we can actually do customizations and we can always iterate the code and work with it. So these were the two applications that I created using Magicx Coder. And as a beta version, I think this is quite cool. With the features that it is offering, I think they're offering something really good. With the features like live preview, code analysis, there's code generation, documentation, and even multi-model support, which is really mind-blowing. So I'm going to go and really suggest trying this tool out. And later on, if you think that this is the one for you, you can always choose from one of the premium plans. But that said, that wraps up our video for today. I hope this video was valuable. If you found this video insightful, hit the like button, share your thoughts or experiences in the comments below. Ring the notification bell to never miss out on our daily updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video, where we'll continue to curb your skills with the latest tech. Till then, stay curious and keep exploring.